Good day everyone, this is the video that is linked with the previous one of the filters. I'm just going to show you how do we move all this instruction that we've done of the filters that we've done in Excel. How do we move them to Microsoft Word and create a PDF? That's what I'm going to do now. So after you've created all of them, per spreadsheet, you must make sure that you have the snipping tool of the input, and then we have your results for every one of them. And then from there, you open Microsoft Word, a blank document. After opening Microsoft Word, a blank document, you start from the first one, the one of Johannesburg. What do you then do? You go to snipping tool again. Now you are snipping tooling everything that is now part of the instruction. You first snip to this, you go to Microsoft Word, you paste it. Remember, in Microsoft Word, your document in Microsoft Word should have your header and footer before you convert to PDF. You snip to for the second time. You paste, you go back, you snip to again. So I'm going to snip to enter, you paste. So it's better to have them now on one PDF document. Make sure you don't hide anything when you snip to. Make sure everything is shown, everything is visible. So yeah, you paste again. Get down the streets, your box and private bank to show everything. Your highlights, you paste in Word, and you do for the last one, snip tool again, new, you snip tool, and you paste it in Word for the last time. Yes, and then we are going to have something like this with your header and footer. So what you then do, you now save it in your desktop or documents or downloads. Just save it as PDF and then save it. So now the trick is to have them on one PDF format. There you have it. So now we are going to have them as one. We're going to have them as one PDF. So that's the PDF we are going to upload.